Your prayers have been answered. It's finally here. Photo Booth Part 2. Yes guys, if you haven't watched episode 1, then make sure you go back and check that out before going any further, because we're going to get straight back into it and finish off the framework on the front panel. We're also going to cut out the top and bottom of the machine. I know what you're thinking, Dre, those top and bottom panels are different thicknesses. Well, let me tell you why. Seeing as the top panel is just a cover and the bottom one has to take the weight of the machine, we have to make it thicker so that it doesn't crumble like Jay Baruchel when he fights Anthony Mackie in $1 Million Baby. I cut a vent at the top of the back panel so some heat from all the electrical components can escape. I then moved on to cutting the opening for the back doors. I needed framework on the back panel so that the sides had something to attach to. I used thinner material than on the front as I was starting to become concerned about weight. This machine is going to be heavy enough as it is, so I need to consider that. I made the doors out of 12mm MDF. I was originally going to have them sit flush, but I decided in the end to have them overhang for ease of the hinge and lock neck. Now that the hinge grooves are cut, we need to consider the material that we're using. I'm not slating MDF, I just had concerns that when I put some screws in there that it would struggle to remain a reputable building material and keep it all together. So what I decided to do was mix some wood glue with some water and paint it on the places where my screws would enter. This solution not only has the appearance and consistency of breast milk, but like breast milk, it makes things stronger. Well, at least we hope it does. I'm painting on this special potion in hopes that by the time it's dry, some magic will have happened and it would have evolved into a material that's stronger than MDF. You can see that our magic strengthening potion has done the trick. And now that we know that anything is possible, let's continue to fit the doors and then paint some stuff. So, the Perspex has arrived. Now this is a material I have never worked with before, so let's see how this goes. I laid out the front panel on top of the Perspex so that I could trace around it. This gave me a nice guide for cutting. I wanted the monitor edge to sit behind the Perspex, so only the screen is shown. I did this by measuring the size of the edge and subtracting it from the screen. I cut the Perspex using a metal cutting jigsaw blade, as I heard that this helps to avoid chipping. Let me know in the comment section below if you would have used a metal blade or not. Party people of the internet, do yourself a favour and hit the subscribe button. Why? So you don't miss episode 3 of this build or any future projects. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, it really helps me out, and make sure you share it with your friends. And if you don't have any friends, well,